The agriculture industry and agriculture education are always changing. While past generations of students may have worked the family farm before attending school, modern students come to class with little experience beyond what they can see at the grocery store. At GW Publisher, our resources are written for today's students with hands-on labs and classroom activities that build excitement around the wide array of opportunities in the agricultural industry. We are proud to offer a growing line of agricultural courses with 10 new titles in the last 3 years and regular revision cycles. GW Ag courses span middle to high school pathways and are aligned to agricultural, food, and natural resources standards with connections to FFA and supervised agricultural experiences. The AFNR video library includes over 70 videos featuring real agricultural students and industry professionals for agricultural career exploration, examples of successful student projects, and mini lectures on key topics across the industry sectors. Digital or print, GW Ag resources are built to last you to the end of the year and beyond as students work on supervised agriculture experiences and connect what they are learning to their communities and career plan. Request samples today at g-w.com/preview.